Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. Is it just me, or is Apple being just a little bit hypocritical with the Vision Pro and the future idea of what work can be? You put the Vision Pro device on your face, and suddenly you're transported to the ether where you're able to manipulate Windows and do your work anywhere on the planet. You can do your work anywhere. That's great. That must mean Apple is all in on remote work, right? Because that's what they see as the future. Remote work, because why would they expect you to wear something like that in an office, in a cubicle, right? You feel me there? Does that make sense? I understand that. That makes sense. Being able to strap on a headset and be transport, whatever. I know they're calling it a spatial computing device, but it's a headset, let's face it. That makes sense. But what doesn't make sense is that Apple is forcing its employees to be on site, to go through a commute, to sit in a cubicle, to be present with other people, physically present. So this is what doesn't square. You might say, well, Chris, of course they have to do it now because you can't be virtual. BS. That's BS. I've been virtual or remote since the mid-90s, since long before broadband was as prevalent as it is today. So that's BS. You can get things done without being in person. So is the idea that we need to be in person indefinitely then? Then why are you building the Vision Pro? For other people, but not for yourselves? I mean, like, imagine Apple building the iPhone to not use it themselves. Imagine them building anything to not intend to use themselves. It doesn't square. At this point, it doesn't make any sense to me, apart from seeing Apple as completely hypocritical. You're building for the future, but you're firmly planted in the past? Come on, make up your mind. Dog food this thing. Make it work. Make it work well.